Hey everybody! In this video, I will show you exactly how to create an Impact affiliate marketing account. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. First of all, open up the impact.com affiliate marketing website. So when you get into its site, click on the sign in button. Now you can sign in by entering your Impact account credentials. Or you can sign in with Apple, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google. If you don't have an account, you can sign up with partner, brand, and agency. Then, you get into its site and scroll down here. And this time, choose the agency option. Now, you can achieve growth for your clients and scale your agency with the world's best partnerships platform. Then from here, click on Become an Agency Partner. After that, you need to enter your first and last name. Now enter your email address and organization name. Also, add the organization's website and select the number of employees. Then, you can choose the location of your organization. Now choose, do you have any clients today using Impact.com's technology? After that, enter your envisioned partnering name. Then, are you looking to use Impact.com's technology to manage your client's affiliate or influencer program? You can choose the option of this question as yes or no. Now select the no option. And lastly, choose the products you're hoping to learn about. For this question, do you have experience in affiliate marketing, or would you be interested in adding an affiliate to your services? Now you can choose any of the following options and take the checkbox of I'm not a robot. Once you're done with everything, click to submit it. Click the link given in the description box to create your account. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.